Thanks to Amazon for sponsoring today's video. What's going on, guys? It's your average consumer, and today we're going to be taking a look at some of our favorite tech of the month. I say our because we actually got a really good comment from someone in a previous video saying they want to see what the team likes, the kind of tech that we use around here on a daily basis. You guys know I usually cover things that I personally use, whether it's old or new, but today we're taking a look at what everyone in here likes to use in their own personal lives. So we should have a really fun video today, but before we get into that, we gotta give a huge shout out to our sponsor, Amazon Smart Home. Now, I know a lot of you are familiar with Amazon Echo devices. They control a lot of our smart homes, but there's actually some more functionality that you can get out of them with the use of some really inexpensive cameras, like these Blink cameras. This right here is the Blink Mini camera. This one is the indoor camera, and it's actually pretty cool. We all know how important it is to have camera set up so that you can feel secure in your home and be able to see what's going on, maybe interact with someone. We've all seen these cameras before, but there's some cool functionality that you can get out of them if you have something like the Amazon Echo Show. So right now, we've got the camera set up over here. If you happen to be in a different room and you want to keep your eye on what's going on, you just want to check in, you can easily say, show me living room camera. So, and it'll start talking to the Blink, and boom, you can see us. Now, of course, this is an extremely useful feature to have to just keep an eye on everything going on in the home, and stuff like that just makes you feel better at night. It's just really awesome to have that kind of visibility across your entire home on something as simple as your Echo Show 5. So if you guys want to learn more about how a system like this can help your home, definitely check the links down below in the description. But now, let's take a look at some of our favorite tech. All right, guys, so now you've probably seen one of my previous videos where I talk about this little camera right here, the Insta360 One RS. Now, it's not often that I come around tech that I haven't seen before or I haven't used before. And this little guy, it actually hit that criteria. So this is definitely something new for me, and I've been absolutely loving it. Now, the reason why I like the One RS is because it's got this 360 camera where you can pretty much capture content all around, well, the camera. It gives you the ability to do so much more than you can with a standard camera. What you get with these guys, you're only getting what you're shooting. Like, what's in front of the lens is all you get. With this, no matter what position you put it in, it's capturing everything. And with the included app, you can do a lot of customization, you can do a lot of editing. It's actually got a really cool feature with this selfie stick, or they call it the invisible stick. Once you put it in here, you can hold it like this, and this stick completely disappears. That's why they call it like the invisible selfie stick. It completely disappears while you're using it. So it's almost like you've got drone footage, which is really wild. But what's cool is like when you're in the app and you're editing, I can have it focused on me for a little bit, and then I can have it move on to Jay or something, or Carl, Kevin, doesn't matter. You can do so much with this, a lot of flexibility. Now, what's cool about this camera overall though, is that it's modular. So if I wanted to, I can go ahead and take it out, and then I can throw in just like their 4K. Oh, the cameras. I'm like, wait, what's happening? Something's not adding up. Thanks, Carl. But it's cool because you can go ahead and take the body of the camera, throw on a different lens altogether. So you've got like a 4K camera right here. And then you've got like a standard action camera. I think it's cool that it's modular, but what really gets me is this guy. It gives you a lot of flexibility. As a content creator, mark my words, all right? You guys, you all listening? I'm gonna be making more Instagram content with this guy. Follow me on Your Average Consumer on Instagram if you wanna see that. Mark my words, you guys. Hold me to it, please. I need to post more. But yeah, this is what I've been really enjoying. I think it's dope. There's a few things I could have talked about today, but it's not just about me. It's about the team. It's about my guys over here. So let's pass on the torch. Who Who's going first? Jay. I know Jay's the most nervous, so we're going with him. That's that camera, man. All right, man. So what you got for us today, my man?
So I choose the Shure MV88. The only thing I don't like about it is you cannot use it with the case. You gotta take the case off and then just plug into it.
So wait a minute. So that is a microphone, and does that move?
Yes. Yeah, it does move. Yeah, that's one thing. You can plug in this way or you can plug in this way, whatever works for you. Like if you want to vlog, that kind of stuff, you can just do like that, but you still pick up your voice. For you to use it, you have to download an app. This is really cool though, because you can literally like just pick any kind of pattern. You can just move how wide the sound you want to pick up, and it has like different preset mode you can choose.
So you get a lot of controls there.
Yeah, you get a lot of controls here.
I think that's awesome. That's smaller than the Rode mic that.
Rode, yes, it is. And also, remember we used to not sure if it's working or not. Like every time we plug into it, we have to like record a test footage. This one has an indicator light.
Oh, so it'll let you.
It will let you know if it's working.
Oh, you see that green light right there?
Yes. So that's one thing I like about it. So.
And you can see your levels and everything right from that app. Huh?
From this app, yes. I like to use it with the Filmic Pro app.
Okay.
Yeah, it makes
so you're going full filmmaker.
yeah. That's a good combo here, so I love it. So.
Okay, so we gotta hear a test. We gotta compare the built-in mic to that.
So this is the sound quality sounds like with the Shure MV88, and then this is without it.
Okay.
So I guess there's gonna be a huge difference. I hope.
He's like, please be good.
Yes.
How much is it? Jay's like, I don't know, man.
Okay, it's a little expensive though. It's like 150.
Oh, baller, Jay. All right.
But it's really good though. It's really good. Like the build quality and everything. I think it's metal.
So I mean, if you're serious about your like mobile videography or something, then that's a really good option. All right, Jay.
That's my
good find.
Favorite stuff.
So now, Carl.
Come here, Carl. Come here.
It's Mr. Fun Guy here, guys.
Okay.
And my tech that I've been using for the month is the Oculus Quest 2. Me and my girlfriend, we are very competitive. And when it comes to Beat Saber, we play that almost every night, cause
really,
yeah, and she's always beating me. Honestly, it's
wow. I gotta disown you.
You gotta let your girl win. You see, you need to learn from me.
All right.
But yeah, so I've been playing that nonstop, and also like when she wants the TV, like to watch a TV or something, I could just go on Netflix and just watch Netflix on that and leave her to the TV.
So would you prefer to watch Netflix on that versus like your phone?
Definitely. What? It's more of an experience. It's so much more. It really feels like you're in the movie theater watching Netflix on that.
So besides Beat Saber, what other games you play?
But that's what I play.
That's it?
That's it.
That's just Beat Saber.
We've been at it, man. That's it.
So this is your Beat Saber machine?
This is my Beat Saber machine.
I mean, you're a gamer.
Yes.
So how does it feel compared to
like a PlayStation?
Like,
it's more realistic to me. Like, cause in the Beat Saber, you know, like how you like, all right, so boom, boom. When you're doing that, like, and it be feel like you're falling or the thing's about to actually hit you.
Okay, I get what you're saying.
It's more realistic to me. As to the P5, like you're playing, it's like, it's on the TV and you're like, okay, it's cool. I love my P5, but this is just more realistic to me, that's all.
Okay, I'm gonna need you to play another game though. Before you start.
I'll think about it.
I got some recommendations, I got you.
Okay, thank you.
All right, Kevin. What do we got?
All right, so this is pretty tame, I feel like, in comparison to what you guys brought. But this is the Kindle Paperwhite. This is the 10th generation.
Is that the notebook?
Notebook?
Are you reading the notebook?
Oh no, sorry, all right. I was gonna get to this later, but I cheaped out. I got the version that comes with ads. It's $10 less.
Okay.
So pretty much what that means is that when it's shut off, you'll get ads on your screen. But low-key, I feel like I should be paying for this, because like, listen to the sales pitch they give. Bad boy football star, innocent girl next door, one small town, a million reasons why they should have never walked away.
Oh,
Wow, come on. The drama, the suspense. On the real, I use the Kindle Paperwhite because it's super practical and it lets you read anywhere. It has an ink-based screen, which is super slow. You don't buy this thing for the processing power.
are you turning it on right now? Is that the process?
That's the process.
Wow.
It
I
takes
had enough time to ask you if you were turning on your.
But, like I said, you can read anywhere. I think the thing that sold me the most on it is when I saw someone using it at the beach.
That's
You can do it
pretty
anywhere. It
cool.
has enough light to like read in the dark. Also has a dark mode to it. You can bring the brightness way down so when it's actually dark, you're not straining your eyes.
Right. So that would be great for right before bed.
Exactly, that's a great time for it. Also with accessibility for reading, it's, as you can see, really tiny, much smaller than any book.
I feel that?
Yeah, it's,
Oh man, this is so light.
the battery life on these things is ridiculous. I charge mine every week, sometimes every 2 weeks, like,
And are you a daily user? Like,
yeah. Because I use it at least once a day on the train. So probably around like 10 to 14 times a week. This is, like I said, the 10th generation. I think they're on the 11th now. This was, I think, around $130 when I bought it. So that's really cheap considering all it does for you. And my favorite part about it is actually integrating with an app called Libby. So I've never actually paid for a book on this thing. Every book that I've read is just through the library.
that is dope.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet. Now, it's a little convoluted because you have to like get your library card, connect that to the app, and then you have to sync this manually. And the good news about this is actually, if you don't read a book in 2 weeks, when you would normally have to automatically return it, all you have to do is not sync it.
Oh, and you still got the
you
book.
just keep the book for as long as you need.
Kevin giving all the tips today, man.
Yeah, no, it's clutch. Oh, and the other thing I forgot to mention, I don't use this, but I found out today it can also do audiobooks. It has Bluetooth, and you can get those from the library as well.
All right, Kevin, I like it. I like this. I like having you guys involved. It's fun. All right, guys, so Kevin, good job. Carl, good job. Jay, good job. This was dope. Next time, hopefully, we can get Ari in here. But boom, there you have it, guys. This is the UAC team's favorite tech of the month for the month of March. You guys are seeing this probably in April, but you get it. But hopefully you enjoyed it. If you want to see more, let me know with a comment down below. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, be the cool guy or girl that gives this video a thumbs up, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. So then it's your average consumer. Peace. What you gonna have next time, Carl? Not a fair.